Hi everyone, this is Ryan Angeles of Triar Property Marketing, and now we are here in Vermont Park Executive Village in Antipolo to walk you through a modern minimalist two-story house. Tara! Bago tayo pumasok sa loob ng house, gusto ko muna ipakita yung facade niya because you can see na yung house is very well designed with glass and yung architecture niya, ang clean ng lines niya and really stands out dito sa street. Ayan. So, especially guys, yung LED lights niya that adds elegance do sa bahay, especially in the night. Tara, pasok tayo. So, mapapansin nyo, para siyang walang main door. It's because yung main door niya is itong folding glass door na to. Ayan, na di siya binili dito sa atin, but it's imported, no? Ayan. So, mapapansin nyo, sobrang dali niya buksan. And, pinaka-highlight niya is nagko-continue yung pinaka-living area niya out here dito sa garden. So, ang pinaka-ma-feel nyo when you go here is the breezy, peaceful, and calm vibes na para extended yung bahay mo from inside to the garden part. And once you enter the living area, pinaka magsa-strike mo sa inyo are the LED lights, yung mga lighting. Kasi as you can remember from the facade of the house sa maraming LED strips, it goes inside as well. So parang connected talaga yung bahay from outside to the inside. Yan. So a lot of glass doors, a lot of floor-to-ceiling strip glass that gives natural light, but at the same time, napoprotect pa rin yung privacy ng mga nakatira dito sa loob. Yan. So from here, no, ito yung wala siyang kasamang gamit. So, it's an opportunity for you to choose kung ano yung mga bibilin mong gamit na babagay for yung sa taste mo, no, doon sa preference mo. But from here, you can see na kala mo glass lang siya, but it's also somehow like a hidden door papunta doon sa powder room area for our visitors. So, punta naman tayo dito sa dining area na quite spacious. Can see still bare pa rin, no? So you can put all your preferred furnitures para sa ating dining area. And from here, mayroon tayong 2 access doors. One door for our laundry area here, and another door for our garden area. So continuation siya ng garden area dun sa harapan. Yan. So pwede ka rin pumasok from here, going dun sa from outside. So, bago tayo pumunta sa kitchen, you will see a door here na for our guest room. So, if you have visitors, pwede sila dito mag-stay. Let's go sa kitchen area. So we have a kitchen island with marble top. Paired siya with the design here sa marble top dito with our induction cooker and range hood. And also a lot of cabinets from here until there. So hindi makikita niyo na hindi magiging makalat yung inyong kitchen because there are a lot of cabinets to place your condiments and whatnots for our pagluluto. Ayan. Tapos, of course, it comes with the oven and the microwave. So, don't have to buy in, ha. And, of course, yung ating kitchen sink. There. So, akit na tayo sa second floor. Or daan muna tayo, of course, sa stairs. So, makikita nyo yung wooden accent ng stairs and, of course, the glass railings and the LED strip lights from here sa floor until dun sa may ceiling. Of course, makikita nyo rin yung large window, glass window, na sobrang ganda, especially in the morning, yung binibigay ng lights. Let's go! So here, you will see another space na pwede niyang gamitin as a gaming room, living area, or probably another bedroom. And it continues here sa sarili niyang balcony na up to dun sa side ng house. Yan. Tapos, punta muna tayo dun sa dalawang bedrooms. 2 bedrooms, pero unahin natin itong nasa left. Yan. So, pagpasok nyo, mapapansin nyo agad, para na siyang master's bedroom, but it's not. Yan, meron siyang floor-to-ceiling na strip glass na window and its own balcony. And nag-extend from dun sa harap up to the side ng house. And also, meron siyang sariling restroom hidden in the cabinet. Di ba? Pero guys, hindi lang siya basta restroom because yung sa side niya, so ito yung door ng restroom, but on both sides, meron siyang mga cabinets. Yan. So, pasok tayo sa restroom very quick. Yan. Sobrang ganda ng restroom niya kasi yung shower, full body shower na siya. And of course, no, yung accent ng house, hindi siya nakalimutan kasi yung accent dun sa baba, sa kitchen, up to here sa second floor, para siyang pair, no? Terno siya. Ayan. So, here yung full body shower. Sarap maligo dito, guys. Kasi tatayo ka na lang, tapos malinis ka na. Joke. Mapunta naman tayo dito sa second bedroom. So dito, it's almost the same nung first bedroom natin. Meron siyang glass window na strip and sariling balcony. Okay, na nag-extend dun sa kabilang room. At the same time, meron siyang, ito guys, yung screen niya. May choice ka na i-open yung window, but i-retain yung screen para pumapasok pa rin yung hangin niya. And guys, yung screen na to, dito yung typical na screen natin na bought din to outside our country kasi sobrang tibay na hindi siya yung madaling mabutas. And also, present din yung screen na yun dito. Yeah. So, if you want na mahangin nga, pwede mo siyang i-keep open pero i-close yung screen para yung air pumapasok without yung mga insects, ganyan. And dito, syempre, meron din siya sariling restroom hidden sa parang cabinet door. And yung restroom niya, it's almost identical with our first restroom. Yan. Punta tayo dito ngayon sa isang hidden feature ng house, which is the attic. So, meron siyang attic dito na pwede mong lagyan ng mga gamit natin na ayaw naman natin ibenta, but gusto pa rin natin siyang i-keep. So, there's a lot of space upstairs, so nagagamitan mo lang siya nung parang hook para bumaba siya. Pag open mo niyan, may bababa na parang stairs para pwede tayo umakyat sa taas. Yung attic niya, it extends up to dun sa buong second floor. So, punta naman tayo sa third room. Ayan. So, sa third room natin here, ayan, a little bit smaller, pero spacious pa rin siya. Meron siya sariling window with screen, of course, LED lights, and its own cabinet. Ayan. Aluminum cabinet, guys, with full mirror siya, full body mirror. Let's go! Punta na tayo sa, of course, may restroom tayo dito. Common restroom. Okay, for those sa mga magsistay sa second floor, meron siyang shower. Of course, yung accent niya is the same with everything sa first 2 rooms and sa baba. And punta na tayo ngayon dito sa master's bedroom. So dito tayo ngayon. First natin is of course yung toilet and bath na bigger siya than dun sa 2 first rooms na napuntahan natin. Of course, meron din siya accent na light sa side. And yan, so all around, meron tayong windows with screen, LED lights. Here, a bigger window na pwede mo i-keep open kasi again, meron nga siya screen. Tapos meron tayong door because meron siyang sariling balcony sa back ng house. Ayan. Ang laki ng space dito guys sa balcony. Ayan. Tapos here, sa door na to, kita niyo here, yan. May sarili siyang window, glass. But pagpasok mo, it's your walk-in closet na quite spacious din. Yan. A lot of lalagyan and sarili nating hanger. Tapos of course, meron pa ring window dito with screen. Pwede mo talagang i-open lahat para mahangin yung buong room. Yan, ganda. This property is 280 square meters with a floor area of 430 square meters. Meron siyang 6 bedrooms, a large kitchen, large living and dining area. It has a parking area that can fit 2 cars with an attic of 20 square meters. So, ang dami nating malalagay doon. A family room, a gaming room, and a huge living and dining area. Guys, thank you again for joining us in this walkthrough. So if you want to check the property personally, if you want to visit it, or if you want your property to be featured by us, don't hesitate to message us on our socials. This is Ryan Angeles of Triar Property Marketing. Be 3 steps ahead, invest in the next.